Also known as the taparingo or the zapatuche, the volcano rabbit makes up a genus on its own and lives only in the remote Madrean Pine Oak Sky Islands in Mexico. Habitat is very limited and very isolated, and this decreases the overall genetic diversity of the whole species. If the population of one mountain is lost, then the genes from it are lost too. Fewer genes in the pool make it harder for the already endangered species to adapt to changes in its environment, something it really needs to be able to do as its habitat is altered and encroached on. A genetic bottleneck can have serious consequences for an animal with a population this small. To preserve this species, we need to preserve its DNA and conserve its habitat.